Connecting Silverfin with Power BI is easy with Peliqan. Let me show you how. Sign up for a free Peliqan account. Once you're logged in, head to Connections. You get a built-in data warehouse right out of the box. From here, click on Add a Connection, then search for Silverfin, then add it as a connector. As soon as the connection is established, a pipeline is created automatically. Your data is instantly available as tables inside the warehouse. Now open Power BI. Select Get Data from Another Source. Choose Postgres as the database type. Copy and paste the warehouse credentials from Peliqan into Power BI and connect. That's it. Your transformed tables now appear in Power BI, ready for dashboards, reports, and analysis. Skip the complex setup. Try Peliqan for free today.